Hey guys, it's TheCubeSyndrome here. Now if you're wondering why I haven't uploaded anything for a while, it's because I was on holiday. But now that I'm back in Australia, I can start uploading cubing videos again. In this video, I decided to do my first fun little challenge / experiment, consisting of me spinning around a total of 15 times before doing a mean of 3 on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. To make this process a lot more scientific, I would solve without me being dizzy, which acted as a control. Now you guys may be wondering why I ended up deciding to do a mean of 3 instead of just an average. And that's because I don't want to puke by the end of the session. Safety is always #1 priority. Without further ado, let's get straight into the challenge. Wow, these were pretty surprising results. To be totally honest, I expected to do much worse while I was dizzy. If you want to try this out, please leave your times down in the comments section below. I hope you all have enjoyed today's cubing video. If you did, please like and subscribe, it helps out a lot. See you all in the next video.